Welcome. Welcome to Vacuum News, stories from the terrestrial world. And here with me, Professor Chizoto, coming to you straight from Mibaya Television. Oh, mwakafia. Tewara news itu. Oh, wait dank. Pepani. Now, headlines. Malawi to put up a team to come up with a vaccine. Chakwera Chirima to get the first jab. And the VP, Vice President, on fire. Chakwera and Chirima to come up with the first people that they are going to have the jab of the vaccine. The VP on fire. Yeah. Now, the headlines in detail. Imagine, for the first time in Africa, Malawi to come up with a vaccine. Oh, this is in Ghana very good news. Very good news. Oh, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Now, comes the names of the people that is in the committee to come up with the what? The vaccine. 1. Isolation Muntari, quarantine chisi, corona sifukwe, virus chimtengo, COVID baureni, concussion, kaswejeye, Stimi Ramaphosa, Ivermectin, Nkomo. Oh, you people, I wish you well. I wish you very well. Good luck, you people. Yeah, anyway. Another one. Imagine at Kamuzu International Airport, the plane. Wow, because I could see it from the sky. Coming down. With the vaccine, COVID vaccine. And I was waiting for this day. Thank you very much, you people. And President Chakwera and his Vice Chirima to have the first jab. I remember I told you I was waiting for this day. So imagine Chakwera having the vaccine, breathing the pain of the vaccine, the syringe, the COVID-19 vaccine. And he'll go like, I got it. It's Anana. Now, imagine the turn of the Vice President, Chirima. Hey! Breathing the pain of the syringe. He'll go like, and do you know what he'll say? He'll say, I have felt it. I have felt it. These two. The president and his vice. Chakwera and Chirima. They gym. Because one loves running. Chirima loves running. Chakwera loves the gymming. You become a sensei one day. You will forget about the president, what. And do you know what? This also gives us a relief about the risk allowance. You know, when people get the jobs, there will be no risk allowance. Yeah, man, the risk allowance. Risk allowance there. No. Anyway. Okay, my advice to you, all Malawians, or elsewhere, let's go all of us to the gym so that we should not feel the pain of the ocean. Let's gym, or even run. Prepare. Anyway, let's go to another one. Next. Iwe, Jeremiah. Iwe, Chihana Iwe. How can you attack the VP? And you say he's underperforming? Below performance. Do you know the one you're attacking? The Vice President Chirima, and he gyms. Are you not afraid of him? You see? No, don't do that. Anyway, now there's been a research around Africa on how people react to when the car is going into the bumpy way, or even when the plane has got turbulence in the sky. We know when the plane is going and it meets turbulence, it goes gonna, and even the car, when it is driving through the bumpy road, it goes gonna, hey, guju. So there's been a research and how people react. Let me tell you how. Let's start with Malawi. When Malawians get into the bumpy road, they go like, So when it's a bumpy road, they go, And when you go to Nigeria, they go like, Chineke. South Africa is very good one. They go like, highball. China, China, it goes like, Now comes Zimbabwe. Here, Zimbabwe. The Zimbabweans, they put like something like Iowa. Because in Zimbabwe there are lots of potholes. Iowa. Okay. Now, from sports, let's go to football. From Liverpool to Liverpool. How can you lose games at your own home, at your home ground 6 times? Liverpool. Why? But why? But let me tell you a secret, you coach. You know what you should do? When the whistle starts, like the game starts, you should take all the players, the defender, everybody, in front to score. Even the goalkeeper must be in front. Just score there. When you score, just bring them back, all of them, the front people, the middle people, the defenders, at the goal post, from pole to pole. And you start, you put them like, you start with maybe Henderson, this post. Sarah, this post. And the other ones will stand in the middle of them, from that pole to that pole. And the goalkeeper must go on top of the bar. And so you just be there. Then you block. You see? So, but don't tell anyone, Don't share this secret. You start winning, and you thank me. I know. We can agree. Pay with Liverpool. Anyway. Tamara. Iwe, marafia. Si, hapa mwalemba chani hapa, tipange bwanja hapa.